how to plant onion in containers or how to grow onions in containers. Hello, welcome to 7's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Today I'm going to show you how you can plant onions in containers. You don't need a very big container to plant onions. All you need is a container, and whatever container you use, you just want to make sure that it has holes at the bottom so that it can drain all the excess water that goes into the container. So what you need is get a container, and you want to fill the container up with the best potting mix or compost that you have, and you want to fill it up at least 90%. Because once you plant and start watering it, it's going to compact, it's going to go down, so you want to fill it up at least 90%. And then before you plant whatever onions you want to plant in there. So once we have the soil, we have our compost, any fertilizer that you need to put, organic or any fertilizer that you like to have in there, just make sure you have it mixed with the soil, and then you can plant. So here we have our compost mixed with potting mix that I made. So now this is the onions that I got from the store. So these are onion sets that we got from the store. Let me show you, and they come like 100 in this pack right here. So we're gonna plant it in this our small container over here. This is about a gallon in terms of about, yeah, I'll say a gallon or maximum a gallon and a half of this container. So what you want to do is you want to just hold it with top upright like that, and you want to just press it in gently. You don't want to push it all completely into the soil. You just want to push it down gently, and you want to give a little bit of space so that way when the onions grow, they can expand and they have space to grow and expand. So I'm leaving about, I'll say 4 inches at least. Just leave about at least 4 inches, and then they'll grow and expand. If you see during the growing process that they're too close together or too tight, you can harvest some of them early and use them for salads or whatever you want to use them for, but at least just to make sure that it has enough space. And so you just want to spread them apart. So what I did was once I brought the onions home, I soak it in water for like 30 minutes before planting, just so that it refreshes and it at least brings them back to life. So you want to plant with the root end down like that. So this is it. We're done planting. All we got to do right now is we're just gonna water it and put it in a nice sunny area, and we're good to go. Okay, this is it. After a week, you can see the some of the seed coming out already. A couple of them coming out already, so they're just gonna keep going like that, and we should be, hopefully, I'll say within a couple of months, we should be able to at least get some onions, and we can start harvesting our onions. So stay tuned for those videos coming up. I'll give you updates on these. So just let me know in the comments below if you like the video and you like this type of videos. Just let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like the button, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. So with the onions, you just want to make sure that you maintain the moisture in the container, especially if it's a small container like this. It's gonna dry out a lot faster than big containers or the garden or raised bed. So you just want to keep an eye out and water it regularly. Right now, this is spring. It's not too hot very often, so I water it maybe twice or maximum 3 times a week. But once it gets to summer, or when the temperatures are consistently above 70 or 80 degrees, you want to water small containers like this very regularly, like every day. Or if you're gonna skip, you skip maybe 1 day and that's it, and you water it regularly, because the container is small. It's gonna require a lot of water for the onions to continue growing. So you just want to make sure that you maintain that moisture and maintain the water in there, and continue to water it regularly, and you should be fine. Okay, and that is it for today. I hope you loved the video. If you loved the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.